Hi guys, hi everyone. Here we are. Today I'm going to show you something about Dungeons and Dragons. Yes, cause I'm a master in adventure in Dungeons and Dragons, the advanced Dungeons and Dragons, so the old-fashioned style module. And today, and I had a request by my fellowship, and they want to have a new tokens for our adventure in Roll20. So they said, Edo, why don't you create something cool and something new with this great AI and with your stable infusion? And I said, okay, I will do in StableDiffusion, and I want to show you the result because it's very funny, it's very cool. I think it's useful to understand again the workflow, the advanced workflow for a task like this. So first of all, as always, I'm going to show you the complete workflow, each part, and after this we'll create some images, and I want to show you some tricks about this kind of creation, this generation. So first of all, this is the workflow in its beauty. Okay, many parts, but it's quite simple actually. So the first part, it's mute, it's bypassed, it's the open pause part. Today, sorry, the control net part with open pause and canny and so on. Today I don't want to use it. Here you can upload your image with your your pose, or your image of your reference image. It's another thing, another part. It's interesting, but I don't want to use it today. Today I'm going to create something very linear and very and very generated from scratches. So let's move to the real part. The real part, I'm using Excel right there. So this workflow, it's for Excel, StableDiffusion Excel. So you have to double check your checkpoint. You have to use an Excel checkpoint. So this is Laura. As you can see, I'm using 3 different Lauras: Perfect End, Add Details Excel, and Armor Art full version 1. And that's all. I think it's quite good for me. And I'm using Dream Shaper Excel Turbo. The turbo version is very important for our workflow. In fact, for the first sampler, I'm using just 12 steps and a CFG of 2. DP MPP is DI Carras for sampler scheduler. The same for the second key sampler with the harass fix. This harass fix with default value, I think. Now, this generation will produce a preview right there. The second generation with the harass fix produce a second preview, and after this we are going to see something different and simple, but you have to pay a little bit of attention. Here there is, first of all, after you used a key sampler XDL and you want to add something before the final images, with these efficient nodes, you have to use this unpack XDL tuple or tuple, I don't know how to pronounce it. This allows you to inject something in between your first image, your image created by the sampler, and the final one with, you know, detailer, or in our case IPA adapter. So first of all, you have to unpack your XDL efficient key sampler, and you can use something after that. In my case, I used a Ultimate SD upscale, but for today it's bypassed because it's unuseful. We are going to create something for Roll20, so an image that you use online in digital version. You don't have to. You don't need 4K, or if you need it, use the upscaler. For today, for now, I don't use this upscale, so it's bypassed. For me, however, for me it's important the face detailer, because it's important to have details and to have something cool with you know, faces. But before the face detailer, I'm using an Ipadapter. Right, come on, right there. This is the Ipadapter. This is the new advanced, so you have to load. I'm using the version with the model with the model in 2 different node. I don't know why the new node with the Ipadapter in the same node with the model and Clip Vision the same mode doesn't work for me, so I divided. It's the same. Why use Ipadapter here and after this face detailer? Because this Ipadapter will create a rough map, a rough mask, and a rough map of the face you want to put in your images. In my case, I will use my face. Da-dam! Wow. Okay, but it's enough. Too much. Okay, so the image we created pass through an Ipadapter and deform the face of the image. After that, we have a face detailer, right? That create something better with the Ipadapter and my face. But to have something very cool, we need to use something more. And in my case, is a reactor. A reactor create a real one-to-one swap, but the input images, the input image will have a right map, a right mask created by the IPA. So the result will be smoother and, in my opinion, better. So this is, you know, wow. This could be interpreted like a refiner for our face. This is the preview for our mask, and it's helpful to understand if the mask it's correct, it's fine. And after this reactor, I will make another face detailer node. I will use another face detailer node. Now, this part, it's up to you. as you can see in a moment, the result could be better, could be worse, and this distort a little bit the result of Reactor and Ipadapter. It's useful if you want something similar to you, but not so similar. So I created two save image node to have a real close image and something not so close. Now, I talk too much, I'm sorry, and I want to show you something. Now. Let's see the process. I'm the master for this adventure, but I don't want to use face of my the faces of my friends, so I use my face. And let's say I will be, I don't know, male elf ranger. Male elf ranger, leather armor, and gray wolf coat, sword. Wow. Gray wolf fur coat 4. I don't know. Let's say what we got with this this first prompt. So let's create a ranger for our fellowship. Now, of course, I press Q prompt, and now we have to wait that the Dream Shaper worked. And after this, we see the whole process through all these nodes. As you saw, this is a simple workflow. Now, now we have something. Remember, we have a turbo model. 12 steps and 2 CFG. Don't pump up this value. Doesn't work. Now, for the first one, I think it's quite good. But remember, this is the rough key sampler node. So we want something better with the second one and the high-res fix script. So you can see you need more time for this node, but it's fine. This workflow isn't created to speed up the process. We here have a my seed right tree just to have the same seed, in this case a random 1, -1 for each node. I was saying we don't create this workflow to speed up something. We create this prompt to have something cool for our purpose. So this is the first one. It's cool. This is much better. Come on, look at these details with this second sampler and iris fix. Now we have the IPA that it create a simple mask, a simple mesh for the face, create something wrong as you can see in a moment, but useful for the reactor, a base, okay, for the reactor. Now the face detailer, as you can see, I use max size 1024 because we are in Excel. The first guide it's 512. It's fine. Don't pump up the noise. This is the mask for now. As you can see, there is something, but it's wrong. It's wrong, but it creates something close to my face. because we want to have my face in it. Okay, it's weird, as you can see. This is a warping. The nose, as you can see, my nose. And the last one, as I said, it's in between sorry, my Italian sometimes want to rise. The second face detailer creates something between the first, as you can see, and the face. First, not so similar, but okay. Let's try again with another character. And I want to be I'd like to be male, human, sorcerer, rich and elaborated clothes, magic wand, book, no, find details, dramatic light. Sorry, in this case I'm using the score 9, score up, score, and for the negative score it's a classification for the images. I don't know, it's work with Dream Shaper, but it work with other you know, checkpoint, like, you know, point diffusion. So I maintain this all through my prompt. You can try it, or we can delete it and try right now. Okay, try, yeah, this one. But I want to create a node, double click, node, right there. I Control X, Control V. Okay, now we try right now. We said rich, male, human, sorcerer, fantasy, sorcerer, rich and elaborated clothes, magic wand, find details, blah 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 blah. Let's try. Now the process will be faster. Okay, I don't like the head like Merlin, but you know, stereotypes win, so it's fine. Oh, I love the clothes. Well, okay, it's fine. Now let's see the bigger image, and remember we have 1 and 2 image, and the IPA after this right there, and my lovely face, my face right there, and right there. Voila. Now let's wait some seconds or a minute. Be patient. We are here. Remember, the first keysample must have -1 to create something from scratch. The second one has to have the final step 0, because you have to copy the image. You don't want to create something new right there. You want to create something better here. So -1 and 0. Okay, look at this. Wow, I like it so much. So the first, create something, and the second one. Okay, it's funny. In my opinion, it's funny. you can adjust something with Photoshop in a second moment, but I think it's quite good for a great base to work with. Now let's wait for the face detailer, the second one, and just let's see. Okay, wow. As you can see, it creates something, you know, in my opinion, better. Not so clear, not so clean, and in my opinion, better for this image. I will use this instead of this. Now, I want to show you something important. We are using this image, my face, without glass, without my glasses, but I need glasses. So image that your friend give you an image like this with glasses. Now this could be a problem. Now we'll see why. Now a fantasy dwarf warrior leather armor. Okay, could be plate armor, axe, giant, grand axe. Bam, details. Now we'll see what's going on with this kind of image, cause we could have some problem, and you have to be aware about this problem. You have, when you work with AI, when you work with Stable Diffusion, you have to know Photoshop. Okay, Photoshop, it's or another GIMP or Affinity, whatever you want. You need to know photo retouching program. By default, it's important. It's fundamental. You need to know how to delete errors, delete problems, or change color, or everything. It's useful to have what you want and what you have in mind. So this it's important, but this is an 80% of the job. The last 20, the last 30%, it's your ability to refine the image, as we can see now. We have this dwarf. Oh wow, very cool. Now the Ipadapter and face detailer, mess up with the face and try to make it close to mine a little bit, but there is a lot of burden, so it's hard. Now the problem. Okay, it's funny and it's quite good as well, but we have glasses. Da-da, 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 da-da. This could be a problem. Now, this could be a problem. We can fix it in Stable Diffusion with in Paint, and you can fix it with wow, Tim Allen. Sorry. You can fix it with Photoshop, but it's not so easy. You can fix it with Paint, and in Stable Diffusion you can fix it with a segmentor, and try to to create a mask with the glasses, but it's another workflow, another job. And if you want to have something very, quick and easy for your job, Dungeons and Dragons, this is the trick. Don't send image or photo with the glasses. Now I'm using Reactor, as you know, with male gender input. Remember, if you are using something like this with the splendid Emma Stone image, if we have Emma Stone as a player, could be very, very cool. Okay, let's try. Image fantasy, female. Human. Cleric, fantasy, woman. Wow. Cleric, golden cloth. I don't know why. Let's try something simple, and we see the result. A nun. No. Could be a nun. No, it's fine. Cleric, maybe priest. I don't know. Remember, I'm using the 2.5 Advanced Dungeons and Dragons module, so there aren't those bullshit of the newest versions. So I'm joking. The 50, it's quite good, but I like THAC0, the taco. I like the taco. And let's see what we got with this female character. And remember, when you use a female character, female face, you have to change this input, although it won't work because it not recognize the face, the female face. So come on, speed up. What's going on? Wow. Too much gold, but Charlize Theron. Now we see the trick with Ipa. Ipa injects something messy in the face of the tailor. And look, this image is linked to Ipa, of course, and to Reactor, of course. You have to link both at the same image. It's stupid to point out, but remember. Me as dwarf. Wow. I'm Tim Allen. I didn't know that. Now, let's say this is the face, the mask. This is the morphed Ipadapter. Oh wow. Cool. Emma, if you want to play with us, we are here. Bam. Lovely. My opinion, lovely. Now we'll see the last. The last one. Hurry hop. it's cool. However, I like myself as dwarf Tim Allen warrior. Look at the hand. Wow, Emma, you're lovely. We as cleric for my company. Now, just a little bit bonus. As we can see, I create something cool and very easy to manage. And now we have what? We have a simple circle with you know, 2 effect. I have Italian Photoshop, so sorry. There is bevel and edge and shadow. You know, very simple. You know, you want to change this color, you can with this simple adjustment layer. And now I want to have something bluish or greenish, right, like this. Okay, now I create this round circle right there, because I want to put in this, you know, in this Mighty Mallen dwarf. Bam, make this Alt, press Alt to clip the mask. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, and now we are working. This is a simple, you know, 600 and 600 pixel square, and we have a huge image. I don't know, 2K in my opinion. So we can create something like this. Bam, right there. So you can save it. You can save it as PNG, Edo, bam, PNG, alright. And now we can put in our roll. Just a second. Right there, in my opinion, right there. Voila. We are in a roll, of course. As you can see. Voila. Your token for your play and your adventures. So here we are. So guys, it's enough for today. This is my console. This is our lovely Emma. Ciao, Emma. So thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy this time with me, and I hope this video could help you in your study of AI and in your Dungeons and Dragons games and adventure. And ciao ciao ciao.